Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing and review on this Apple Watch charging connection. So it comes sealed. Let's open it up, see exactly what comes inside the box. There's the word open. So we do have to cut that seal right there. Nope, there's no seal there. All right, let's see exactly what comes in the box. All right, cables in a bag. Okay, so it's got USB-A on one port. I got to plug this into a wall charger. There is some plastic here I got to take off on both sides. Now let's see if it'll charge my watch. So you will have to plug this into a wall charger. Okay, let's take my Apple Watch off. Let's see if it'll charge it. This is the Ultra. There's like a concave side here and a flat side. So the concave side should go up against the charger. Yep, it will charge the Apple Watch. And it does magnetically stick to it. Yep, pretty nice. Looks like it's very well made. All right, let's try to get some measurements. So about an inch. Roughly about maybe an inch and 1/16 circle. Thickness wise, you're looking at about a 1/4 inch thick. Seems very well made right here. So yeah, this is a nice accessory to charge your watch. Hope my video helps.